guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. Please click that subscribe button, and while you're down there, hit that bell notification button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, which is usually Fridays for Food Friday. But today, as you guys see, not Friday, today's Thursday. Hello for this recipe a lot on my Instagram and a lot on my TikTok. And hello, can we just say we're about to hit 10K on Instagram? What is life?
Is it in?
Thank you guys so much for all that love and support, and we hit 2K yesterday on YouTube. You guys, thank you so much. Welcome to all the new ones, and if you want to stick around, welcome to you too. This recipe has been asked for a lot on Instagram and TikTok. It's this rice recipe, and I decided to do it today because tomorrow we're gonna pair it up with some bomb mole. So if you guys want to know how I make my mole tomorrow, be sure to be subscribed and click that notification button. Be notified when I upload that video. Tomorrow usually goes up around 10 a.m. If you guys want to know how I make my white buttered rice, then keep on watching. So today we're going to be making some white rice, white buttered garlic rice, and basically that's what the ingredients are. Butter, rice, onion, some garlic, optional you could put some corn in it, and chicken bouillon to taste. So yeah, right here I have 1 cup of washed rice. Make sure you wash your rice. You'll know it's clean and perfect once that water turns transparent, basically. And we know for every cup of rice, it's 2 cups of water. So we're gonna be using 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, or chicken stock. Okay guys, we're gonna start off by chopping our garlic. Now we're gonna go ahead and chop up our onion. We're just gonna do it in, I think these are called julienne, so like little half moons is what I like to call them. So now let's heat up our pan. Let's add our butter. We're gonna add our onion. Now that our onion is nice and transparent, as you can see right here, we're gonna go ahead and add the garlic. It already smells so delicious. Now we're going to add our washed rice. Remember, it's 1 cup of rice. Move that baby around, let that get coated in all of that good stuff that's in there. The corn. Remember, this is totally optional. You don't have to add the corn if you don't want to. Mix that in there. Add some chicken bouillon. Add in here about 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. You're gonna go ahead and mix that all around. Make sure that goes in and doesn't stay just at the top. Have all that in there. We're gonna go ahead and add our 2 cups of water or chicken stock. Water. Did not find for my life the cover of this, so I'm gonna put a plate on it. This is the most important thing, okay? You're gonna put it on the lowest setting. Leave it there. Do not uncover it. Leave it there for at least 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and uncover it and check if it's ready. So how you check if it's ready, you just get a fork, put it in, and if you don't see any water, anything like that, then it's ready. So we're just gonna let it sit out like this for about another 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're gonna fluff it up. Eat it up with a little bit of mole. It's delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around till the end. I hope you guys like this video and this recipe. Tag me if you guys end up making it. Of course, remember 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That mole recipe will be up tomorrow. So be sure to be subscribed. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, and all that good stuff down in the description box below. Once again for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.